A monkey lived in the king's garden. The monkey was proud. He thought he was great. A parrot lived there too. The parrot was wise. The monkey teased the parrot. He said, I am better. The parrot was calm. He said, pride is bad. The monkey laughed. One day the king came. The monkey made faces. The king was angry. He shouted at the monkey, throw him out. He said, the guards caught the monkey. The monkey was afraid. He ran away quickly. The parrot stayed safe. The moral of the story